travel all over the world, 37 different countries, and I am a minimalist traveler. I'm also a mountaineer. I go up Mount Rainier in my backyard every single year. I was actually just about to go out on a day hike just now with a buddy of mine, and I thought to myself, man, I can't take this 10 liter right here because I'm going to be carrying weight, some actual plates in my backpack to add a little bit of oomph to our hike. Unfortunately, the 10 liter is too small. However, I have a 33 liter addition that swaps out. Check it out. So this frame right here, basically it stays put. Like this right here is just generic, it stays put, right? But the outside is the section that actually changes. And so it's modular. Basically you take it like this, unzip it like so, and then the 10 liter section comes off. Isn't that wild? So it's almost its own standalone duffel bag, so to speak. It even has a handle on it right there. We're gonna toss that aside, and using the same base, we are going to get the larger 33 liter bag, and we're going to be popping it right on here. Now, before I put it on all the way, I wanted to show you kind of what it looks like on the inside, which it does have an integrated bag in here for a water bladder, and also this small little pocket up top. Typically I put my sunglasses up here, or sunscreen, things that I quickly need to get so I'm not rifling down in the bottom of my backpack. So this is the inside of the backpack, which you can see. And all you have to do is align this zipper on this side with the zipper on this side. And in less than 30 seconds, I've just transformed my 10 liter backpack into a 33 liter backpack. And now I can put my weights in there. There's plenty of room for water, and I am ready to go. So if you have a small little office like mine, you've got equipment hung everywhere, the last thing you want to do is buy 3 or 4 more backpacks. Just get one backpack, and then this will allow you to essentially explode out and be modular depending on what activity you're going to be engaging in that day.